Samsung is pushing the boundaries of foldable smartphones once again, this time with the highly anticipated Galaxy G Fold. While the Z Fold series has played a major role in popularizing foldables, the G Fold takes things to a whole new level by introducing a tri-fold design. Unlike traditional foldable phones, which often feel like a compromise between a phone and a tablet, the tri-fold device offers a more complete experience. Huawei has already introduced a tri-fold device, the Mate X, which demonstrated the potential of this technology. The Mate X features a 6.4-inch phone display that unfolds into a massive 10-inch screen. However, one of its biggest drawbacks was its outward folding design, which left the plastic display vulnerable to scratches and damage. Samsung aims to solve this issue by using a G-type folding mechanism, ensuring that the flexible display remains protected inside when the device is folded. This approach is a major improvement over Huawei's outward folding design, which had durability concerns due to the constant exposure of the screen to surfaces and pockets. According to the reports, the Galaxy G Fold is expected to feature a 6.5-inch external display that unfolds into a full 10-inch tablet. This design not only enhances usability, but also eliminates the awkward aspect ratios seen in many foldable devices. A tri-fold device requires 2 hinges, which could make it bulkier and heavier. For reference, Huawei's Mate X weighs 298 grams and measures 12 millimeters in thickness, which is actually thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. If Samsung can keep the G Fold's dimensions close to those of the Z Fold 6, it would be a significant achievement. Battery life is another concern with a larger screen. A 10-inch display requires more power, and without the right battery technology, the device could struggle with endurance. Huawei addressed this issue by using silicon-carbon battery technology, packing a massive 5,600 mAh battery into the Mate X. If Samsung doesn't adopt a similar battery solution, it may face challenges in providing long-lasting performance. The crease issue, often a point of criticism in foldable devices, is also worth mentioning. Since the G Fold has 2 folds instead of 1, some users might be concerned about its visibility. However, early feedback from Huawei's tri-fold users suggests that the crease becomes unnoticeable over time, just like in regular foldables. Given the complexity of its design and premium materials, the Galaxy G Fold is likely to be expensive, with estimates placing it between $2,000 and $2,500. This is a steep price, but considering that Huawei's Mate X was priced at nearly $3,000 and still sold over 3 million units, there is clearly a market for high-end foldable devices. However, Samsung needs to be strategic with its pricing to avoid the fate of the Apple Vision Pro, which, despite being a great product, was criticized for its high cost. According to reports from Korean media, Samsung is expected to showcase the Galaxy G Fold alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in July. While an initial teaser may be presented at the event, the full reveal could happen later in the year.